Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Karen. Today I will be doing this look right here. It's the Pride look. I always want to do a rainbow look, so I thought I'd give it a try. And so, yeah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I've been a little busy, so hopefully I can get this uploaded before the end of the month. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Instagram at the Karen Makeup. And yeah, so hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to comment. As you can see, I already done one eye already. And I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack palette. And on this side, I will be using mainly the red shades out of this palette. As you can see, this palette is real similar to the, look like the Morphe's, I think it was the 35 something palette. It's very similar in color. And I will be using mainly the red shades, the yellow, the orange, and the yellow shades in this palette. And the shade I'm going to start off with is going to be the yellow shade. Well, first, before I even get started, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eye. And I'm going to be using the P. Louise eye base, and I will be using that because I do want the red and yellow to be very vibrant. Pat this down with my sponge here. Is my Real Technique sponge, making sure that this is very smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with that yellow shade. Most palette yellows aren't that vibrant, but I'm hoping this one is. And now I'm going to go in with the orange shade, and I'm just using a fluffy brush like this. Oh, and that yellow shade, I use a fluffy brush. This is from an Amazon brand. Now I'm going to go in with the red shade. And I'm overlapping the colors as well as I'm doing this too. And I'm going to be blending the outside edges of it. And I'm going to go back in with that yellow shade or that orange shade, and I'm going to do the same up here as well. It's blended out a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the yellow shade and do that as well. Now, as far as the color for my inner tear duct, I think I'm going to use like a yellow pigment for that area to kind of brighten it up just a bit. And I'm going to be using the Jesse's Girl eye dust. Yeah, I'm just using this small brush right here. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and put colors on my bottom lid. But the colors I'm gonna use is probably the green, the blue, and maybe a little bit of purple on this eye. I'm gonna be using this brush, and I'm gonna use that, and that's gonna be the blue shade. There. I'm gonna use this blue here. Then I'm gonna use this green. Then we'll go in with the purple. And next I'm going to be filling my waterline with a black shadow. And I'm going in with the blush and berries palette from Dose of Colors. And I'm going to be using that black shade. I really like the black. They do have a black in this palette, but I don't think it's, I haven't really swatched it, but I don't think it's as bright, as dark as this particular black. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is go ahead and put my eyeliner on. And this is by Wet n Wild, but I need to look at the mirror when I do this. So after that, then I'll be back with my lashes on, and then we'll just finish up with this look. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on, doing my eye look, and all I have to do now is add on my lipstick and my lip liner. I'll be using the NYX lip liner and Espresso. And then I will be using the Ultra Gloss by ColourPop. It's the collab with Ellarie, and this is in the shade Netta. And then I will be topping this off with the NeatFreak. I think this is the MakeupShayla collab with ColourPop. I'll be using that after that. This is my final look. I hope you like it. Yeah, I kind of like it. Very colorful. And happy Pride Month to you. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below.